Kia ora chat, lunchtime here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. How's everyone doing? Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. Sure. How's everyone? I seen you in here first, Crazy. I seen that emote you posted, brother. Sure, everyone. Weekend stream. Yep, same singlet as yesterday. Can't find any of my other singlets because it's hot. Sure, everybody. How's everyone doing? How you been? How's your day been? Yeah, busy. Just sorting out a few things behind the scenes. I cut out JT's mask with the most dodgiest chainsaw in the world. There it is there. So this is our next one we're doing. So this is hey Private Panda. So this is a kōreru mask that I'm going to be doing for JT. So he's one of our commission ones. So the dude said it was Cody, but it smells like pine. My uncle. As soon as I cut into it with the chainsaw, I was like, this doesn't even smell like native. Yo, Slouching Pie. Thank you very much for the sub, my brother. Yeah, so pretty much once we finish this, straight on to that. I might have to do a bit of cutting with it because there's still a lot of excess wood on it unless I take it off by chisel, which will probably take long. But I mean, it's not hard unless you just want to see it that way, which is totally fine. Fade Blast, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Cheer, low gains, how are you, brother? Let me just have water. Stay holy from Australia, like a paladin, brother. You carving, yeah, at the back there. So this one's for JT Pamby. This commission piece here, yeah, a lot of excess wood on it, but either way it's got to come off. Whether I do it by chisel or by dodgy chainsaw, I don't think I want to use that chainsaw again. Hydrate again, okay. Yeah man, it's hot here. It's like kind of like muggy, really muggy. That's the king of hydration, Fano. This music reminds me of Oblivion. Oblivion is a good game though. Yep, so I went to Crazy. So I went to my grandfather to get a name for my next baby. So he gave 3 names in particular, which is actually one whole name of one of my great-grandmothers. So I was lucky enough to have one of my great-grandmothers in my life, but it was my great-grandmother's eldest sister who couldn't have kids. She raised my great-grandmother when she was little. Thank you, King of Nerds, for the sub. Oh, Garaholic. Cheer, brother. And Proxy Mate Joker. Much appreciated, guys, for the subs, but cheer out. Garaholic, how you been, my brother? Yo, Qui-Gon Jinn. Oh, come on, Savvy Biscuit. Yo, Qui-Gon Jinn, bro. Thank you very much for gifting a sub to It's Squidgy. It is Savvy Biscuit with the 5. God damn. Thank you, Fano. You don't have to. MLG Pro Blue. Tier 3-eyed Raven. Tough Texas Lovin' Dead. DF1Z and Lucifer's Baby. Those gifted subs went out to you guys. Thank you once again, Savvy. Reminds me of Jack Sparrow. Zarkiv, thank you very much for subbing as well. Hey, cheer Fanta. You on your day off today, my bro? The Angry Bandit, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Looking nice. Yo, cheer Gearaholic. Been a while, my bro. How you been, my bro? Can hear my daughter having a big meltdown for putting a jersey on. Gendroy, thank you very much for the sub, brother. And Sturdy Butter, gifting a sub to Young Freshman. Did not have to, Fano, but much appreciated. Just wanted to show some love. I love seeing. Oh, come on, guys. Seeing your work and love it. Sadly, I have to go to work. Oh, deadly funny. Didn't have to give those bits, then go to work, man. Much appreciated though, bro. Oh, 3-day weekend. Oh, nice. Been well, just work life then home life. Fair enough, Gearaholic. Proximat. True Proximat for gifting a sub to Stumblebums. Archer, I don't know how to say that. I'll have a try. Ages Jaeger. Evades, Gurgi, and that's all. Thank you, Proxy. Much appreciated, Proxy. Okay. Should we start carving, eh? Why is this playing Alliance? Crap. Get that dreadful music out of here. Alright, hey. So yesterday, Took Styles, thank you very much, my bro. You did not have to. And Fanta as well. Oh my. Okay, let's get some carving done, eh? Your wood carving is amazing. Ah, thank you, brother. We're almost done. But I think I want to add one final thing onto this whole carving. Just spreading the love. Yeah, much love, brother. Where were we? We were doing these yesterday. Had to come by. Yo, shot Gearaholic. Thank you, brother. Good to see you well too, my bro. Yo, Steady Butter, thank you for gifting a sub to Doveless Dove. Much appreciated, man. Hey, true snuff. They've been playing Alliance too much, bro. Took a while to notice they're playing. Yeah, man, I hate playing Alliance, but it's the faction the bros are on, eh? Because I play pretty much Horde by myself on Bartholus. At the moment my warrior's basically ready. I've just been farming, trying to farm Gammon's Breed for my Alliance characters. Thanks, Fanta. Yahiko, thank you very much for the bits as well, man. Okay. How you been, Fanta? All good? Sleen Jeffin and Sunny Coot. I hope I said that right. Much appreciated, guys, for the bits. For Horde Bath is where it's at. Yeah, that's the server I'm on, bro. I just got no one to play with on there, so I've just been doing my Shah of Disappointment runs. Hey, Drax Project! Thanks for the raid, man. Can't wait. Can't thank you enough. We appreciate it a lot. Hey, cheers, Drax Project. All good, man. Okay, can I just say, When all of you did Encarnacio, that was probably one of my favourite moments on Twitch. I was not expecting that, and then all the boys just singing it. Oh man, had the biggest smile on my face. Man, and that beat you guys are doing. Oh man, I was vibing out hard to that. We had to go back to watch the VOD. True, Gearaholic. Good to see you again, brother. Hope to be back in NZ next year. Had 2 awesome months last year photographing. Oh, nice, Kylie. Yeah, man, hopefully it gets better, next year. Darth Beardius, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. I appreciate it. Can't thank you enough. They didn't have to as well. Well, much love, brother. Didn't do much, but it was really fun. I think I'll keep doing it. You and just for kicks of inspiration, brother. More just for kicks than me, brother. Well, what did you do, my bro? Not too bad. 8 days in a row with no... Oh, nice. No new cases. Get to see the whānau for Exodus. Yeah, that's what it's all closing down to, the Christmas period, whether we'll be able to go out. I know it's pretty chill here, but... Wait, I don't know if I can play Takeover from League of Legends. Yo, Mark Merrill, if this clip ever gets to you, brother, are we allowed to play like League of Legends music that bands have done, like Glitch Mob and all of them? Or would we get struck by DMCA? Love your videos, man. I watched you for everyone for the last 4 months. Keep up the good work and good vibes. Greetings from Norway. Yo, cheers special. For the 4 months, my bro. What can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky. There's no need to pray, it's okay, you're welcome. There you go, bro. Cannot wait for the IRL NZ beat COVID. Yeah, well, we beat it twice and now our new case has popped up. Other than those Russian sailors that dropped in Christchurch, baby going off. Yeah, she put a jersey. So we put a jersey on her because it's cold, and she is not happy. I was like, all you have to do is put cocoa melon on. Yeah, she's a little free spirit. She hates being like suffocated by a little jersey. She hates it. You'll get suspended. Yeah, this I didn't go too long. If I get suspended, it's because they're jealous because they can't sing themselves. No, those ones, eh? I think if I ever see myself on Twitch Band's Twitter page, I'll be like, we made it. We made it. Yeah, it's just really hard with this DMCA stuff, eh? Yo, cheers, Sam. So the goal today, whānau, is to finish this leg, and then we move up to the face, because I want to finish, I want to do something with the big empty space. Talon, thank you very much for the sub, brother. We can chat and carve. Yeah, it's a bit out of it, eh? This DMCA stuff. Because you all know I got the permission from Lab to play their music. But at the same time, I'm still too scared to play it just because what's stopping them from pulling a fast one? Psychedelic ritual. We don't do sacrifices and pentagrams and all that stuff. We're a bit civilized. The only offerings we make to our gods is our karakia, our prayers we have, or acknowledging them. We don't do the rip the heart out and good kalima, Indiana Jones type of stuff. We're not that out the gate. Y'all know that scene from Indiana Jones though, eh? Come on. I found Lab through the stream. So sorry you can't show many more artists now. I mean, I can mention them. Which gods do you believe in? Every Māori god there is. So some other artists that I enjoy. Oh, this guy. It's your boy Guzzy. Yo, thank you, brother. You did not have to, though. The bro did the Kalima heart tear scene. Yo, thank you very much, big boy. Oh, boy Guzzy for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. Yeah, I used to really enjoy Indiana Jones as a kid. I guess it was better than watching every Clint Eastwood movie with my father, or grandfather. I was like, man, this is dumb. Much love from Belgium. Hey, brother. Hello to Dono, Slifer. Hey, man. Oh, we said hello twice. Are you having a good day? Yeah, so far. I mean, I had a good cup of tea this morning. Woke up to my daughter's foot in my face with the odd fart. Yeah, it was all good. It's tobacco and food. Oh, true, brother. I mean, everyone has their own particular way they do things, eh, when it comes to the native races of Aotearoa. Oh, of the world, I would say. Sorry. Lovely start to the day. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Mrs. Brock's popped it. Nah, but yeah, baby's low. She feels it. My brother, I might have mentioned it yesterday. My brother-in-law's partner had a bet with Mrs. Brooks that she would give birth on the 6th, which was yesterday. If she didn't, she would put crap on her hands and clap. I messaged her this morning with clapping emoji and the crap sign, and everyone's laughing at her. Yo, where's Beck? Thank you very much for the sub, brother. How do you pronounce whānau? Whānau. So F-A and just N-O. Yeah, so she literally said, I'll scoop up shit and clap. And what made it even worse, my mother-in-law goes, oh, your daughter's just getting ready for a big poo as well. I was like, this is your better. You got to honour the agreement. We told you that's out the game. She goes, nah, she's going to drop on before the 6th. And sure enough, my daughter's still not ready, and thou shall now scoop, crap, and clap. Hey, Chobarai, how are you, bro? Just pranking you. Yeah, we had some fella try and rob us last night too, so I threw some wood at him. A fence post. Any advice on carving? Because I got told to start carving before I get into tamoko. Nans. I mean, it helps, but you don't really have to. Like, I know a lot of tamoko artists that don't do carving that are like mean as now. Well, in my so the way I think about it is this: you learn all your designs, no matter what kind of kōwhaiwhais they are. Learning where they come from, and then it just all comes down to drawing, bro. And that's just my take on it. That's the first time I've been told that you had to learn how to carve before you can do tamoko. That's the first time I've heard that. But there are many like tamoko artists here, brother, that didn't go that way, and they're mean as. So what I would say to you is, it's up to you. This is the path you want to follow, and kai a koe, my bro. Yeah. I mean, I'm no tamoko artist, but that's just how I've seen many of my peers around me that do tamoko. They didn't go through carving. I mean, some tamoko artists did, and there are others that didn't. They just followed the path of Rua Moko and moko and drawing. Joshua Ruba, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Snuff, not really, but most of the carving designs can transition into the tamoko. So it was a different kind of realm. Hope you scared the shit out of him. Yeah, I mean, well, he must have got a fright when he felt a big ass fence post hit his back, eh? And then I bowled him into the bloody, into the wall. So you know on Dark Materials how Ulrich Bernison gets his armor back? And there's that, oh, who does he more? What's his name? Neville, no. Dudley. Harry Potter's cousin. That's what I kind of did to him. So YouTube that and then you'll see it. Hey, bless. He shit his pants, that's for sure. And then the cops got him. Because he was doing some robbing sprees. Yeah, snuff. So similar thing, they follow the flow, but then again, kōwhaiwhai is a totally different realm to whakairo designs. I mean, they both mix together well. Kōwhaiwhai designs have always been a part of carving. Yeah, I thought he was going to rob all my timber, that's why I beat him up. Oh, I mauled him, not beat him up. I'm not that kind of person anymore. I don't powerbomb people on the concrete anymore. Yeah, so for YouTube, Ulrich Bernison, there's the Dark Materials scene when he comes out of the church and he smacks up Dudley. I think that's Harry Potter's cousin's name. Yeah. I don't know, I think he might have been, or opportunist. I mean, his jaw wasn't going north, south, east, west. Mrs. Brock stopped me. She's like, don't. I was like, but he deserves it. Pretty much, yeah. Made some tea. Ooh. Hope you and your family's doing well, mate. Hey, Ginley. Yeah, we're all good, man. Thanks for asking. Hope you are too, though. Don't think I won't acknowledge yous too. And we have... So that was your first real swing of a band hammer? 12:15 PM. True, brother. Oh, yeah. Iona Zuma, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Mr. Pandaria, favorite expansion? Yeah, definitely. I've always been a fan of Chen, eh? Different. Like, all the edgelords weren't happy that Pandaren were coming into the scene, and I was probably the only one that was hyped, or probably along with a few others. But yeah, just because he was from Warcraft 3, that's why I was hyped. And then Rexxar came back in BFA, which made me even more hyped. But then it turns out it was a really crappy game, or crappy expansion. Watching the game tonight, bro. Let's go to All Blacks. Probably, bro. I'll try. Throne of Thunder raid was the best raid they've done in ages. True, brother. I enjoyed Siege, though. I mean, we got to slap Garrosh. That was the main one for me. I was Team Taranzu all the way. Yeah, I've always enjoyed Mr. Pandaria. Right down to the story of Chen and his best friend Strongbow. If any of you know him. The name is available on Frostmourne if you want it, because I took mine off. I was going to name my monk Strongbow, but then I deleted it. And I got a better name for my monk that I want to level with you guys. Okay, crazy. Hey, Tiggy. Kia ora. Thank you for the 2 months in a row. I see you're taking a break from streaming too. I hope you're alright though. But thank you for the resub. You know you didn't have to. I hope you're doing good though. Yeah, so we got to finish this section here. A few in here, and then this is all done. Oh, and but this piece here. Guess it would be expensive to ship to the UK. Man, I wouldn't know. But gotta try. Gotta do a carving for Otter and Mahalo. Man, we were just watching a documentary about otters last night too. They're cute, eh? I was like, they live the life I would love. Just floating and eating kinners all day. Wars on? Not really, brother. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if I can play KDA. Yeah, I haven't really done anything else outside of traditional Māori wood carving, brother, but if it's simple, it's something I'll have a go at. Otter, you talk like you have the option. You talk like you can get out of it, and you can't. Gorilla would win a fight against a grizzly bear easy. Like, easy as. I've seen that doco. Have you not seen Rampage? No. The Fupa Trooper. Thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Everything's alright here. It's supposed to be moving to North Dakota, but they don't allow pit bulls. Yeah, I've seen that tweet. Stay down here and just do a long distance relationship. Oh. Yeah, I've seen that, your tweets lately. Wondering if you're good. Brooks, do you do these for marae or just for people? I have done popo for marae, brother, but this one in particular is for no marae. We had a guest, Aborigines from NZ. Aborigines from NZ? From NZ, or do you mean Australia, brother? Hey, Joe Thunder. Hey, my bro. Oh yeah, did Maya even like her donuts, or did you eat them? Thank you, Judah. Big chillin'. This piece is coming along very nicely. Yeah, it's all good, eh? North Dakota doesn't like pit bulls. That's random. Yeah, so let's finish this and that and move up to the face. How was your rest, my bro? Since you didn't jump on last night. Colore cha-cha. It's good to see everyone saying cheer. Any stories from the IRL raid? Okay. We went to Carl's Jr. We ate. What else did we do? We went to the shop so just could buy some brushes, but they didn't have what he wanted, so I said I'll buy them for him next time they restock. We drove around for a bit. Went to a sneaker place here in Rotorua called Te Palace, and just was talking about shoe culture, and I had no idea what he was saying. But it was a good catch up, and then we went to Baked, which is a donut shop. Yeah, and then dropped me off. Yeah, it was a good catch up. First time meeting Just, and second time meeting Thunder. And his cowboy hat. But yeah, other than that, it was, it caught me right off guard. I was nervous as, even though it was the bros. I was young, kind of sweating underneath the old jacket. But yeah, it was pretty mean. Good day. Even though I didn't want to finish stream, but yeah, you have to when you meet we meet the bros. But yeah, other than that, it was cool. Yeah. Those donuts are crazy. I didn't jump on last night. I think I got a chest infection, been coughing and shit. Oh, the old hooping. Landala forever. Don't say it's a cowboy hat. Tommy might be watching. Man, like Bowden, you know I'm gonna go All Blacks, man. Can't go against them. Good to see Akira back in there too. The Ioane brothers. Yeah, there's an ant cruising around on my carving. I didn't sneeze, I just snot. Something has spooked one of the Brutosaurs. Indiana Jones hat. Oh, are you? How do you feel about the fact that this is... If this was IRL, you'd be standing in front of a crowd of 500 people. I'd probably be shaking in my damn boots. I'm really like... Hi! I'd be like... Sure, guys! If Indiana Jones was a cowboy. When you were carving, well, there were crowds of 10. That wasn't too bad. That was still a bit hard when I first started. But yeah, you had to get used to it, eh? Took a while, but yeah. There is power for the eyes. Yep, I do. Fluffy Flu, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to, but welcome to the channel. But if you've been here before you subbed, much love to you. Thank you very much. You didn't have to, but thank you. Two E's, 4 Teasy. How I have sold one of these for around $5,000. Joel Richards. Stabbing himself with a chisel sucks. He's most definitely would, brother. Joel Richards, thank you for the sub, my brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Hold up. Indiana Pants sounds like a porno. These guys. Who starts 10 in your backline? Barrett or Maunga? Probably Barrett. Stable Phoenix, thank you very much for the biddies, brother. You didn't have to. Bro, can you give us a quick view of your carving? It's on it now. Orny Jamie, thank you very much for the sub. You did not have to. Not much appreciated. Oh, Stable Phoenix again. Thank you, man. You don't have to, eh? Much appreciated, though. Oh, shit. clean. Hello, Fluffy. I made it to a stream. Oh, but try not to stay out too late though. My bad. Remember, sleep is important too. Okay, this needs to be readjusted. Thank you, Funky Ferrets. Much appreciated, brother. Hey, Maxilmuth. Thank you for the bits as well, man. You did not have to. Our tribes don't have emblems. We have tribal styles. Are your boots comfy? Yep, that's why I wear them every day. Yeah, our tribes don't identify with emblems. It's more who we are as a people or as a tribe. Our tribal boundaries that we have, like landmarks, and the tribal style that we do, right down to the dialect of Te Reo Māori we have. Is that a S6? It's a S7. Yo, epic bonkers! That's so awesome. There's a ton of people who love you for how good you are. Yo, thank you, man. Okay, sorry. Nah, no need to be sorry, brother. That's why I'm here to answer your questions. Thank you for the bits as well, epic. Didn't have to though. Yeah, no, I don't feel sorry for any question like that, brother. That's why I'm here. I'm just here to share what I love to do, about my culture as well. Sometimes we like to have in-depth conversations about food. Those are my favourite. All good, brother. Hello from Florida. Hello, Mel. How? What do you think the hardest thing for me to carve is? Jeez. To me, brother, nothing's hard to carve. It's just, yeah, it's just the mindset that'll make it hard for you. Within my culture, so with all the stuff that I carve, nothing's hard, I would say. Yeah, sorry, brother. The carvings in my culture I don't really find hard. It's just, you just take your time and you get it. Tom Droid, cheer, brother. Yeah, I'm all good, my bro. Just almost done, eh? Almost there. Real life Cork. Hey man, my name's Cork. I'm kinda like the leader around here. This is my friend Meek. Different Titans. Hold on. Where does the clothing or tāmoko differ between iwi? Like our clans in Scotland have different tartans. Yeah, when it comes to tāmoko, there are clans that, there are tribes that have their own specific design that they like to use. So you can pretty much tell, because that's how they used to identify where they were from back in the day, by looking at their face. They'll say, oh yeah, you're from here and you're from here. Because facial moko is actually your genealogy as well, your mother's side and your father's side. And yeah, bro, the clothing, yeah, can differ in ways, like if you're from a cold place. But most of the time we all wore the same garments, right down to kiwi bird feathers, the korowai, which is the woven cloak, dog fur, and muka, which is the flax fibre that you'll find in our flax plant. So it sits above, so you have a shiny side and a dull side. On the dull side you do a slight incision and then use a mussel shell or power shell to just like kind of like break the incision and then just peel it away, and it'll reveal the fibre sitting underneath. It's kind of like a rope fibre and it's really hard to break. We pretty much used flax fibre or flax in general for our mats, right down our sleeping mats, our mats for our ground oven, the hagi, to make bags, hats, what else? Garments as well. And where was I going with this? I feel like I had something else to say. Garments, yes. And it's also the fibre that Maui used to slow down the sun too, in our story about Maui. Can I confirm that for you? I can't go back in time, but yeah, that's how the story was portrayed. And oh yes, and the muka was also used because we used to tie them into like a plaited string for the baby's umbilical cord. And it's a practice that's still done today, muka tying. So instead of using the clamps that doctors would use once your child is born, how they clamp the umbilical cord, we use muka ties. So you tie it 3 times, and you do a shoelace tie at the top. And just a little inside information, that's what we'll be using for my daughter as well. Traditional muka tie. On a 1k donation, just donate with your eyes and 1k resolution. Is the puku eye going to remain bare? Yeah, pretty much, brother. I mean, I could design it, but then it'll get lost, eh? Do you have any traditional tattoos? Yep, on my calf, but I can't drop my pants for you guys. TOS. Do the ants and the insects crawling around the wood affected in any way? Do they like bite into the timber? Nah, not at all. They're just there and they're annoying. That's about it. We don't have termites here. Closest thing we have to termites are like family members that take a bite of your burger before you eat it. When you open the box and there's like a bite mark in it. But like bloody termites. Nah, that's just what I say. Food thieves. Yeah, I either say that or I'll be like, there are rats in the house or something. Big rats taking bites out of my burger. We all just laugh. No termites in New Zealand. Yo, Ricky Stan, thank you very much for the 2 months in a row, brother. Looks amazing. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, Fanta, we don't have termites. I think the closest thing we would have would probably be the hoo-hoo bug. But it eats rotten wood, not new wood. Says Yusuf for life also. Hey, chew my brother. Thank you for that, my bro. As long as everyone enjoys it, that's the main thing for me, brother. A school friend migrated to your country and started a greenhouse in NZ, which has started in Holland, and then he migrated to New Zealand. And he do it there. Oh, nice. Intention. Thank you very much for the 2 months in a row, my brother. Much appreciated, my man. Let's just try and bang a few of these out so we can leave this section alone. Centurion Man, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Welcome. You did not have to, but much appreciated, brother. Have you ever eaten a hoo-hoo grubbo? If so, how was it? Yeah, it's all good. Tastes like peanut butter. We used to eat those as kids. Where I'm from, just don't eat the head, really. You can cook them, but rather just eat them straight away. So when you grab it, you squeeze it to get all the paru wood out of it, and then you eat it. It's already out the front. Want me to put it in?
Well, I was going to do it, but
No, I'll do it. Hold on, Whānau, I'm just going to go and put baby's car seat in the car. Is it unlocked?
no, it's like a keys.
Can you just unlock it? Oh, yeah, done. Won't be long. Who's going to be in charge of the chat for questions? It's going to be Ora. Okay, I'm back. Is this still Messiah? Okay, carrying on. What do you have there if you have night? The rotation of the planet, thus making one side dark, one side light. Now if you live in the middle, you get the best of both worlds, where you don't get to sleep at night time. You sleep with light regardless. Okay, carrying on, we're almost done. Are you planning on streaming? Well, yep, once the internet man comes back and lays the fibre line, and then we will test it out and see if it works. Do you have a preferred type of wood? Ones that are free, brother. Cheer my bro. Yeah, all good. That's my preferred timber, brother. Ones that's free. Which reminds me, I need to message my wood supplier, the one that gave me that big log there, or this block here. He So where I went to the wood recycling centre, I went to the guy I usually go to, but the guy didn't really have anything I was looking for till this other dude turned up, this old guy, and he goes, "Joe, come to my house, I might have something you like." And yeah, he collects old like axes or hatchets, whatever you want to call them. We call them partiti. And he has an axe head that's from World War One, and it looks beautiful. And his house he's probably the best hoarder in the world. He's got timber, he's a wood turner as well. He goes, "Oh, I don't hoard, but I got a lot of wood." So it's all good, brother, you're my favourite kind of hoarder. You got mass amounts of timber everywhere. He's got oak, wood from Japan. Man, he's got heaps. And yeah, he's my new supplier now, so after buying this log from him, he gave me 2 pieces of tōtara to carve for him. So a client of his wants 2 masks done, but the real old school ones, I have to do those for him as well. Just as a thank you. I did. Oh no, someone found it. He goes, "Okay, since you bought this timber off me, I have a job for you now." He's like, okay. Yo, thank you for the $15, my bro. Yo, Joe. Much appreciated, Joe. Aroha mai, my bro. I can't see your Twitch name. Does any other Izanux know how to set up a bot where it'll show me in chat? Real life quests. Yeah. This old dude, really cool old fella too. He goes, "Yeah mate, so I got a lot of timber here, and if you see anything you like, you let me know." And because I saw the timber and I told him what I wanted to carve, and he goes, "Okay, you might need this one." I was about to cut it up today. Yeah. Real cool dude, real cool dude. So I'll be contacting him a few times. I got to email him today just to say, "I'm not hoarding your wood, my dude. I'll get these masks done for you, but I'll probably do them in my own time." I mean, I could stream them, but I've got JT's piece to do, plus the secret one that's coming up. Much love from Kelly. Hey! I'll be looking forward to stop by more of your streams also. Much love, alofa to you. Hey, cheer my brother Slazy. Cheer my bro. Really appreciate that one, my brother. Yo, happy birthday to Dicker. It's your birthday. Rafa no kia koe. Let's turn that down, eh? Rafa no kia koe, Rafa no kia deka, Rafa no kia koe. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Deka. Happy birthday to you. Take your shirt off. Take your shirt off. Hey, take your shirt off. No. Hey, thank you for the bits. Hey, much appreciated, brother. How do you care for your chisels? Just put them away in a safe place and use like sharpening stones. But I'll find no brother Dicker. How old are you today, brother? 50 clips in chat? Nah. Nah, that's usually what we say when it's one of the bros' birthdays. We usually go, "Hey, take your shirt off. Take your shirt off. Hey, take your shirt off." And then we tell him to run down the road. The shirt is off. How old are you today, my brother? Happy birthday to you, good sir. 19 years young. Happy birthday, brother. Still a young blood, eh? Hold on, Vane. Just picking my nose. Now, since you've been around here for a while, Dicker, much love to you, my man. Jeez, how long have you been following for? It's been a while. Don't know about that one. And that over there is a heli chopper. Damn, I feel old. I'm only 17. Get out of it with that talk, mate. Pick us a winner. Shine On. Is that Maximilian Dude's emote? I feel like that's his entry song, eh? Boy, I remember when I was 19. Fun times. That's when I used my singing voice for evil. Oh, it is a Maximilian. Yeah, I watch Maximilian Dude as well. I'm like, man, Shine On, that sounds familiar. Yeah, okay, fine. Let me just do a few of these and I'll come back to the chat because we're almost at the end. I just want to get them done. Far beyond the Sunday. Do 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 do. The fuck is that? Oh. I keep forgetting this was a Miss song. It's a long, long way from Ba Sing Se, where the boys are gritty and the girls are pretty. Kinda suits this Mr. Pandaria song. Lot you train. Thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Much appreciated, Lochu. Hey, Lumpy, that looks cool. Thank you, brother. Hey, Zaptos. Yeah, I'm good, brother. Where is this in Miss, though? I can't remember. No, it's not the Ubenda soundtrack, it's from Mr. Pandaria. I'm just trying to figure out where it's from. Can you show your backyard one time? Oh, I already have. Just not much you're missing other than grass, bird shit over there, the odd swing and a flattened ball, and a blanket that's on the line. Happy Saturday, bro. Cheers, sheep. But this is a banger. Goes well with their Ba Sing Se song though. It's a long, long way from Ba Sing Se, and the girls are pretty. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. I feel like this is in the Valley of the Four Winds at one of the breweries. Hey Brooks, hope you're doing well. Garcia, yeah, I'm doing very well, brother. Oh, okay,
We're not going to be long. We're going to
can you just leave the back door open so when she wakes
Yeah,
up she'll
well.
come to me?
Yeah. 10 to 10 minutes. But I shouldn't be super long.
Well, this is her first daytime sleep, so. Mean Tongy? Have you ever tried lino cut Brooks or wood carving all the way for me, brother? But what is that, my bro? If you don't mind me asking. Hasn't given money to donate. Why? Why are you crying? There's no need to. Trip from the bottom of the South Island. Kia ora, Scary. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, it's just repeating the song. This is 5 minutes and 45 seconds. I might as well just play it to the end. It's almost there. It was so quiet. Cheer, my bro. Yeah, he was in here. Much appreciated to the brother for sending you through, my bro. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more to go. Fox over here with the Nevada ballot count. Counter energy. Oh, true. Is that stuff still going, brother? Yeah, man. Yeah, I see. It's getting pretty heated over there, eh? But I hope he's alright though. To everyone that's living in America, stay safe. Just goes to show how 2 old men can upset the bloody balance, eh? It's like watching, as I said yesterday, it's like watching 2 T-Rexes trying to have a fist fight. Supposed to be an egg. Oh, true. Don't be an egghead, brother. I mean, if you want to get banned, though, we'll swing it for you. What represents what you're doing? Eh? Don't I? Noro, thank you very much for the $1, my bro. Much appreciated. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to, my bro, but much appreciated for the $1, my brother. Hot tea. Have you done many Taiaha's keys, my bro? Yeah, I've done a few Taiaha. I did a Taiaha on stream. Don't really do much 21st keys these days. Okay, yeah, let's finish these, eh? And they must be going to get lunch. Where he's going?
Just to tell.
Oh, he's bringing back a feed too?
Yeah, what do you want?
Oh, but just whatever you
Okay.
see. Something that'll make me skinny.
Water.
Water. Oh, good. Okay.
I'm just using your thing.
Oh, okay. Okay. There we go. 2. Next one. Hey, Mr. Pickles. Cheers, brother. Okay, let's finish this.
You should hear her if she wakes up. The big door's open.
Yeah. No, you know how she wakes up, eh? She doesn't really cry. She just walks around with a big ass frown. She's like, what are you doing? Thank God it's Friday in the US. Ooh, stay safe, Bella. Beyond Hawkeye, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Wait, you play well? I most definitely do, my brother. Love having you on in the background. Keep up the good work, Chief. Yeah, true, Beyond Hawkeye. True, my brother. What time is it for you? It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon on a Saturday with a slight overcast. Yeah. It's a long, long way from Ba Sing Se. Can you speak Māori? Yep. E te moi o koe ki te kōrero Māori. Kia ora mo tō pātai. It's 2 AM here? Damn. Does the US elections interest you? Not really. I mean, if they can get me Zoli and Tiger, then I'll take interest. If not, just, yeah. T-Rex is trying to have a fist fight, brother. That's as far as I'll go with it. Sing your welcome in Māori. I'm not actually a fan of it, eh? Just like how I'm not a fan of the Bob Marley Māori songs. I prefer the originals. Where do you live? In a volcano on Aotearoa. It smells like eggs. Sometimes people get blamed for the smell. Yeah. Okay, let's finish these off, eh? We're almost done. Matarikia, public holiday for me. Do you like rugby? I most definitely do, brother. Did you hear about the NBA season? That it's finished for the year? No, other than that, I don't know. Nope.
Get your prescriptions and get your stuff.
God damn it.
All in one place at CVS.
So just looking at it now. Yo, Enrique, thank you for the gifted subs, my bro. You did not have to. 5 gifted subs, my bro. Thank you, brother. They went to Peters, The Dark, Coleman, Ashton, Shellcoms, and MD 2730. Much appreciated, my bro. Then Vingage Ghost, sub for 3 months. God damn. Thank you, my bro. You are awesome. No, you are awesome. Delete the original and take the lab out. Oh, thanks, Fanta. What do you think of the elections? Nothing. Yeah, other than that, that's pretty much all the main stuff done. Bit of cleaning here. All the edges to do. It's just a little 1%ers now. Cleaning the edges, making sure everything's clean. Probably cut all this off. This linseed stain. I got a bit of budding to do there. Where else? Here. And then yeah, I want to design this. Then I got to drop these sections here of the back backdrop. Then I'm gonna frost it. Still a little bit of work to do, but most of the main stuff is done. So carrying on fun. Oh, and then we'll do this section up here too. Hygiene, pro clean. Oh, someone's got a dirty house. While we're at this view as well, get your questions ready. Get your questions ready. So get your questions ready, whānau, because the Half Pie News is about to start. Get ready, fams, get ready. Here we go. Red Bull gives you wings, and if you're a paladin, gives you even bigger wings too. Yo, Slav Sloth, thank you very much for the 3 months, my brother. Okay. Warm up the vocal cord. Here we go. Warm it up the vocal cord. Kia ora, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your Saturday afternoon highlight Half Pie News section. Ladies and gentlemen, half pie here, half pie there, half pie everywhere. No mai haere mai kia koutou katoa, karapene mai. Nei raro I te tonu o tēnei shed. Kia ora everyone, welcome to the news. Everyone gathering here together today under this carport shed. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Half Pie News, where we cover some local and some international news of today. Now everyone, as we've been seeing in the comment section, talking about the election, and well, 2 states left, 2% of the votes left takes the bloody longest to count them all. So ladies and gentlemen, is it really that hard to count that much votes when majority have already been done? In my case, as you all know, I liken this bloody voting system to two T-Rexes trying to have a punch up down at the old bar. Now ladies and gentlemen, maybe it is time for a younger president. Let me restart the music one more time. Cueing the music in 3, 2, 1, and go. There we go. So ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, yet two T-Rexes having a punch up at the pub. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, those are my views on the election so far. I do not really try and waste my frame of mind just talking about the election because I've got stuff to do and well, I've got Cameron's breed to farm. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the section for the election. Now, what we usually do, as we go into more questions, we usually ask the chat. But when we ask the chat, they usually just spam emotes and no questions. So here's to the third time lucky. Do we have any questions? What advice do you give for the people suffering from 2020? Stay inside. Wear your mask and try not to get too close to people, I would say. Focus on yourself, stay inside and stay safe. Now I'm scrolling through as I see no questions again, just emotes. No questions, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, we have one question from Maya. What's the best type of egg? One that is broken and banned. Alliance or Horde? Well, good sir, I am a Horde main myself. I have been playing Horde since the end of BC and have only just touched base on playing Alliance because luckily the Panda brothers can cross over to that side because I do not enjoy much of the selection that the Alliance has. So in other questions as well, ladies and gentlemen, we have Crime Report. Jonathan is tuning in to me right now. What happened last night, brother? Okay. Copy. Kia ora. Okay, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, early hours, 6 a.m. this morning, we had two ladies, individual ladies that went into Countdown this morning to try and rob shampoo on special. There was $5 for 2 bottles. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what really highlights the situation, one moment. Is that there was a confrontation just outside the door on your way out of the supermarket where they tried to lie about the shampoo that they stole. Now what they named this particular individual was the Bum Crack Bandit. Now ladies and gentlemen, if you can tell with the scuffling going around, with the pants dropping as well, you can probably paint a vivid picture in your mind of the bum crack that was shown by the lady. Now ladies and gentlemen, do not steal. If the prices are lower than your pants, then I would suggest that you pay for it, so you don't be labelled a bum crack bandit. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Crime Watch. Anything else, my bro? No? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, back to the chat for some questions to see if they have anything good for us to say. No questions. No questions. Okay, we have a question. If Donnie was a whale character, what would it be? Now, obviously this whale character would have no hair. So obviously he would be Mikatork, the gnome leader. I mean, he has no hair. He's quite short as well. And he has a really loud voice. But other than that, not having a stab, Donnie, you're the man. Much love to you, my bro. And we'll see if there's any more questions. Okay. Not quite much questions, but what do you go for KFC? Usually the Wicked Meal, brother, because you get the Wicked Wings, the original pieces, and the sides, and the odd drink. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, well, no good questions today like always, but anyway, to your primordial report on the weather. Now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. As I assume the position to look up into the sky to see what the weather is like today. My name is Thunder Punch. I have a chiseled jaw and from what I can see, there are obviously clouds in the sky, so you can assume that Ranginui is covered by a korowai of clouds. Now unfortunately he can't see his beloved partner Papatūānuku, who is the Earth Mother, so it is obviously a overcast day. So ladies and gentlemen, you can really expect muggy weather for today. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, from what I can see, there's nothing else changing up there in the sky other than the odd seagull flying by. Okay, that was the weather report, ladies and gentlemen. Kia ora. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, another section I want to add as well. Obviously, with the bumcracker criminal this morning, you could say that was the oh my moment of the day as well. And for our good sorts today, we want to highlight one of the good bros, one of the really good bros, who's been here since pretty much day dot. He's been watching me pixelated streams back when I was a PS4 streaming Andy. And obviously he was there for the first carving stream I ever did. Him, a few others, and 3 other bots as well. So, Fanta Pants, this is a shout out to you, my bro. One of the most iconic viewers, and even a streamer as well amongst the community. So if you want to check him out, give him a shout out, whānau. Shout outs to Fanta Pants, the oh my of the man. So ladies and gentlemen, that is today's news for the Half Pie news today. Half Pie here, half pie there, half pie everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to wipe after you flush. Kia ora. Too funny. Sydney Goot, thank you very much for the bits, man. You didn't have to, but much appreciated. That you mean before you flush? Oh, it's not meant to make sense, eh? That's why you say it. It's half pie news for a reason. Okay, where's my damn pencil? Over and out. Got a question, are you fluent in Te Reo? Are you? I mean, if you want to talk Māori, ka te pai. I need answers. Okay. Do you varnish your finished products to protect the wood from rotting against the weather? Really curious if you apply. I mean, you can, but there's really no point in using hardcore stains because it's going to be inside majority of the time. You can just resort to linseed, but yeah, personal preference really. Okay, I wanted to do something here. Yeah, so you wouldn't necessarily use a hardcore stain there. I mean, yeah, it's personal preference at the end of the day, really. Hey, Mr. Tiki, how's the stream going? Yeah, all good so far. Yeah, someone tried to rob us last night, but I threw like a fence post at him, and then pretty much, yeah, bowled him over. I just thought he was pinching my wood, so I went 100 real quick. Just a curious person on the other side of the world, and Polynesian language families I'm interested in. Oh, ka pai, brother. Carve a decorated baseball bat. That's something I had to do for my father-in-law in the family reunion. Yeah, so someone tried to rob us, so I threw a fence post at him. I mean, throw that, then run, then bowl over. Double whammy, But apparently he was doing robberies right around the area. I mean, if you try and open the shed that has nothing but rubbish in it, it's got loud ass doors. I went full Rambo, because I had a white t-shirt on, and because I could hear it. I could hear him like fiddling around with the shed. So I went full Rambo. I took my white t-shirt off and put the black one on, and I snuck up, grabbed the wood, and then just went Yuri! And got him over here. And then I just ran at him and bang! Yeah, I was like, fuck off! And then the cops got him. Yeah, so he was robbing around here. It was quite yeah. I don't know what he'd steal in there other than an old barbecue that doesn't work and a mattress that smells like mothballs. And I got a posher check. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I was like, will I get there first? And then I seen the wood and, nope, but you will. Yeah. He ate that piece of wood so hard. Where did you hide the body? I'm not like that anymore. No. No, I don't really fight anymore unless fellas try and talk shit about my whānau or obviously try and steal. Because that's not right. Together we are Captain Planet. Was this recent, Brooks? Yeah, last night. See, I just told you this wasn't a nice area. Yeah, nothing serious happened. I mean, he probably shat himself when he, felt a manly body on the back of him. No. Whalebone putty. Well, funny thing is, I had a tefa next to the door as I walked out and I looked at it and went, nah, better not. So I just grabbed a big block of wood. Yeah. I showed it to the bros, they'll know which tefa I'm on about. He's a piece of corn. Get that corn out of my face. I'm like, oh, release. I looked like a fool last night. Oh, he took offense to it. Well. I looked like a fool last night. Do you play Apex? Nah, not really, brother. I mean, some of the bros hit me up. Some that I used to play with a long time ago. Yeah, they're just getting back into it. But I hardly even get to play the PlayStation these days. How long have you spent on this piece so far? Over 3 weeks, that's for sure. I don't keep count though, I've got better things to think about. How's your PC going? Yeah, all good, all good. It's been pretty cool. Yeah, did a few did a Project 30 raid with the bro the other night. Had to raid lead, which was quite funny. What does being an egg mean? Like, don't be a troll, really, brother. That's all it means. Just NZ slang. You jam anything lately? Crash Bandicoot. Project 30. So it's something Soda Poppin started. So like leveling a character to 30, capping the experience and doing like old raid content. It's actually pretty fun. But the bro started his one here in OCE and yeah, it's just been something to do while we're waiting for pre-patch content. I think it's 16 more days till Shadowlands. What is the background music? Brom theme song. Help me keep calm. Oh, as long as it helps, eh? That's all that matters. Like a Viking type of carving. I don't do Viking carvings, brother. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver. The only time I'll ever go outside of my culture is if it's an opportunity, and a fun opportunity at that. Which one is coming up? Oh, I should have told them. Hold on. Show it to me. Been a while. How you been, my bro? Yeah, all good, my bro. Just yes. Just something I wanted to try because I've seen some of the old school carvings with this part designed. Check the Guy Fawkes lines out. No, not really. I've been looking at like old school carvings lately, and some of the ones with this particular tribal style that I'm doing designed this section too. And I was like, yeah, I want to do that. Do you consider yourself an artist? Nah, just Brooks. And a traditional Māori woodcarver. You left-handed? Yep. Been a while since I said anything in your chat. Been good, bros. Been watching your progress for ages. Oh, true, my bro. How's the mahi? You should be, oh, you're in Melbourne too, eh? So, with the whole lockdown buzz going on, you should be able to go out and about, eh? Where the Grizzly Hills at? But you never really had it down. Lockdown is slowly being lifted, so the esports grind will be good to do again. Too much alright, bro. You still on that GTA buzz too, bro? Yes, that makes it look really old school. Yo! always done this as a job, yep, and not as a job as well. Ah, there's a crooked ass. Oh well. Oh no, they're not. They're actually quite all good. Just gotta push one in. Just gonna go and check my daughter, whānau. She's asleep. She's a heavy sleeper, man. What are you doing now on your cover? Drawing on. Just setting up the next part that I want to do. Really. Okay. Australia, Belgium, Germany, France, Sweden. You're very talented. A little bit. Going out on your head. Get it on us. From the secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Through the mountain. Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Tunnel. Not the bad, the good size. But you light up me now. What you wanted more, but you never really hands down. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, shit. How is my rubber? It's way off. Says no pronounce just no Herkwe. Where are you from? Whānau, just marking out our sections. What other carvings have you done from different cultures? None. This will be my first one that I'm going to do, that I got asked to do. Plus, your art is beautiful. Thank you, Wemmy Skin. Hey, as long as you enjoy it, brother. That's the main goal for me, my bro. Seeing everyone enjoy themselves, whether it be watching this or just talking to me or just talking amongst each other. That's where the dub truly lies. Tom, yeah, I've already done a sharpening stream, brother, but yeah, I can do that again. All good. So we're just marking out our next section. 1, 2, 3. Far over the misty mountains cold, through dungeons deep and caverns old, who must away a break of day. In the night, far over the misty mountains cold, through the deep. Any of your pieces displayed in public places or are they private homes? Homes, places. There's one in Belgium. A group of carvers did it. A group of us, not just me, myself and I. Me, myself and I. Do you use any hand tools or do I use chisels, brother. There. Just some of the many that I have. Yo, what do I need to start carving? Wood and tools. And it depends which wood carving you're gonna do, really. 2, 3, 4. Next one. Oh, jeez. Okay, a bit of drawing to do first, honey. Nothing too complicated. You ever play rugby? Far back in the day? Not so much anymore. Just, yeah. Got other things to do, my bro. Nice music from the game. Yeah, this is probably one of the cool places. Which reminds me, I need to try and get the red Earth Soul reskin for my Guardian Druid. This was milled when I got it, brother. What game is it from? World of Warcraft? What? Come and get your love. Where's a braided chain? Yeah, it might be better if I push this one over a bit just so there's not that random gap there. You still play well? Yeah, brother. I play on Bartholus and Frostmourne. I just started a character on Illidan too. Just to muck around on there. Gotta love these Guy Fawkes lines. That is flat. Can't find my rubber finders. Use a chisel. Ease mode. Ease mode. Looking forward to the pre-patch event. Yeah, should be good, eh? Kind of know what to expect. Oh, Assisto? Thank you very much for the sub, brother. I hope I said your name right. I hope I did. Much appreciated, brother. Hope you're doing well, and thank you, my man. Okay, I might be able to move this one over. All the jokers know. Late and never love no more. Fast SkyTrain, people still saying that dumb stuff. It's not even cool. Elegant kitty. I like your attitude to be more positive and striving to achieve the stuff that you want to. That's what you should be saying. Eo Bispo too, brother, and morning to Nail. To the boys, how are we doing? Okay, I think I correct it. It might be good. Never really added that. Yeah. There it is, funny. So, hi Pakati, hi Pakati, hi Pakati, hi Pakati, hi Pakati, hi Pakati, hi. There you go. This is our last one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Never really had a doubt. Let me just do these far out and then we'll get the carving underway. There's the wood carving you mentioned that's in Belgium, the 8-meter tall one. Yeah, just to remember the Anzac Day and what happened in World War One. So yeah, that's so originally that was supposed to go to Anzac Cove, but they couldn't take it there. So apparently there was a bit of a war going on. Can't tell you what war it was or who was invading Turkey at the time. But yeah, they said we had to hold on to it, and they had the government said they couldn't take it due to what was happening. And there's, oh, good. And someone else came forward, which was pretty cool. So we want to cut up because that's the way our grain's going. So our grain is going this way. So that's something to be mindful of in any wood carving, I would say. Just be mindful which way your grain is going, because if you go against it, it's going to break a decent amount off, and that will not be ideal. Hey, Captain Brujo. Cheers, bro. So we'll do this. So normally what you want to do, what I do first is obviously cut the Pakati section out, which is these ones here that I'm doing, and then ridge them, and then come back to the high lines, which are these ones here, and just cut them out. Yeah. I have a free Twitch Prime sub, and I've never think a better person to give it to other than yourself. Your positive keeps community strong, upbeat, never changes. Yeah, thanks, Dante. Oh, I mean, I don't plan on changing. Like everyone says, don't change, man. So, like, oh, the only thing I'll change is Mondays. Don't worry. But thank you, brother. Yeah, like I don't really plan on changing for anyone in particular. I just keep doing me with you guys, and hopefully you enjoy it, and then might be seeing some gaming stuff just for fun very soon. What on fun it. If I randomly just pop off stream, it's probably because my daughter's awake, and we might have to end it if that happens. But she's a bit of a deep sleeper. Oh, we got a posture check from Roman. Cheers, Roman. You get any splinters? No, not really. Like, the skin over here on my hands is quite hard now, and on my palms as well. If you're gonna get a splinter, it's probably because you shot it out of a gun onto your hand. Hey, we got a Trump 2020 guy in the chat. You're in the wrong chat talking about that, brother, because you got better stuff to think about. Anyway, that's moving on from him. It's like a fart in the wind. That's already gone. Oh, it's posture check, eh? Sorry. Yeah. But, usually I watch the VODs when you're working because it's relaxing. Now I get to watch you live. Huge props to you, Rocks. Yeah, all good, bud. Thank you for watching the VODs too. That goes for everyone that watches them, really. I think that's, something everyone tunes into the most is the VODs. Because I know people can't tune in when I'm live all the time. So, yeah, it's all good. Everyone can tune in when they tune in. That's how I see it. Is this carving some style something that's passed down through your family? Through our culture, brother. Not just my family in particular. So this has been passed down from the many carvers throughout Māori history, right from the first, right up until now. Oh, and then I just put it back down and he redeems a hydrate. Okay then. Okay, hold up. There we go, bro. Cheers, Nivik. Cheers, bro. Shout out to yous, bro. There we go. Thirsty man. Love my water. Hello, Winter. What was I doing? We were doing that. It's 1 AM here. Don't move time zones just for me, man. Don't be silly. You're all good, bro. There's no need to move time zones for me, bro. Straight up. That goes for everyone else too. You tune in when you can. That would be my want from you guys. Just tune in whenever you can. Hold on, find it. Just budding these. So it's usually good to go from one angle first and then butt them out on that side and then carry on. Hey Quinn, you have a good night, man. Yeah, if you're watching in the early hours, go to sleep. That's all you have to do. There's always another time. Why do you guys hate sleep, Hardy? I love sleep. Oh damn, we got a raid. Hey, DJ Manchu. Manchu. Chew Manchu for the raid. Much appreciated, my bro. Hope you had a good set. DJ Manchu with the best. Chew, my bro. Hope you had a good stream too. Do you use Ponamu as well? I've carved Ponamu, but I don't necessarily do Ponamu carving. It's not where my heart's at. My heart's more within Whakairo, which is what I'm doing now, Māori wood carving. This is what I want to do. Oh, it's what I've always done, I should say. Sorry, there's no jams on whānau. Oh, the iPad went flat. Hey, busy mama. Hello. The iPad's flat and the speaker's flat too, so you just gotta listen to my annoying voice. Hey, chew DJ Manchu. Yeah, all good, my bro. Good Saturday carving session going on. The fact. Hey, thank you for subbing, brother. Much appreciated, and you didn't have to. It's all good just to watch for free, brother, but thank you. I would say that was a Tomcat. Playing anywhere lately? Yeah, just trying to level my Tauren, brother. Tauren Pally. Though it will never, never be mine. Nice to see something different. Oh, thank you, brother. Hey man, how are you? Risen. Cheer, bro. Yeah, I'm all good, brother. Just having a young carve
Just waiting to see if my daughter will wake up. Parenting and streaming now. Since the boss ditched me. She's probably having a sneaky pie too. I never knew love would be so fun. Hey, you busy mama, your mahi is rawi. Oh, thank you for the 2 months. Yeah, you didn't have to sub though. And a tier 2 at that. Yeah, kore taringa o tēnei wahine. O tēnei mama. Nā me here, busy mama. What spec? Playing prot, but I don't know. I feel like I should switch to ret. I really want to main tanks this time round, eh? It's terrible though. Yeah, no, I'm only level, what, 31 on my Tauren Pally? Oh, another... Did someone else drop in? What happens when you make a mistake? You don't make a mistake, brother. We make adjustments. Boiled goose juice. Sure, bro. Tēnā koe, bro. What's good, what's good, what's goody? Really off to bed now, so good night. Otherwise, the waifu will get grumpy. Quinn, smart decision, brother. I know those feels. It's always good to go to bed early, just so you don't get the odd growling now and again. But have a good night, brother. Hey, yeah, daddy. Cheer, my bro. That's right, you mod for Manchu, eh? I remember seeing you in there. Nuclear Warfare. Thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. You didn't have to, though. Just remember that for next time, but thank you, my brother. And Gmo J with the 2 months, my bro. Yo, thank you. Cheers, my bro. Much appreciated. Yeah, you didn't have to, find look after yourself, eh? COVID's still out there. Choo. Been in Rotorua once. There was a Maori family living who hired jet ski and stuff, and that wasn't some relatives of you, right? There's an instance where every Maori is related if you look deep into the genealogy, but I don't know, brother. Yeah, it could be. I don't know. I don't really do that kind of stuff. Chip, man, cheers. Man, I used to listen to you all the time on Flavour. Was it like every Friday you had a set? And on the weekends too? I got 5 level 50s now. I'm trying to cap all the classes, but my Pally will always be my main. Sure. Yeah, so I just made a monk that I want to level once I start streaming for the chat. So it's gonna be like the community's character. His name's Bun Bun. Did Scotty Morrison's 50 last night at the... All the road of whānau was there. Oh, true! Wow, he's 50 now. Tūro Hawaii. Tēnā koutou katoa, ka whakakarau ike mai nei, raro i te tūnei o tēnei whare. Kia nei ko te hōtaka o te karere. Far out, he's 50. No mai, haere mai koutou katoa. Hey, Matu, I know he is. Chew, just for gifting a sub to Manchu. Much appreciated, my bro. You know you didn't have to. Yeah, they took me to Waitangi Beach for free at the festival in 2016. Really, really nice people. I really want to see them again. Nice, brother. Bro, that's pretty cool. What server do you play on? Bartholus and Frostmourne. I only play Alliance just because the bros do. I'm not really a fan of it, but it's lucky the pandas can go there. Looks awesome for his age. Yeah, he does, eh? He doesn't even look his age. Jacarano, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. You can check out the on radio. Correct me if I'm saying this wrong. Radio Schmadio anytime. Can you link that to me, please? Your daddy in the DMs. Wouldn't think so. He's been doing the mean caterpillar. Ooh, probably gonna feel that in the morning or this morning. Oh yeah, he looks good for his age. Cause he does BJJ as well, eh? Oh, that's buzzy. Yeah, so I made a panda and monk called Bun Bun. And that's gonna be the chat character that you guys can follow as I level him up. Saying it correct. Oh, che. Level cap is going back to 60. Yep. It's going back to 60. He won't be max level when you log in. He'll probably be around 20 to 30. In the 20s or the 30s. So every character that was like maybe a certain level would have dropped down. It wouldn't stop at cap level. The only ones that would have stopped at cap level would have been 120s. Oh, hold on, found it. I think I can hear a little someone calling out. Hang on. Nope, still snoring, which is good. Yeah, my daughter's just asleep inside, and the mother thought it would be cool to just ditch her with me. She just texts me and, oh, and by the way, I'm going for lunch. She goes, so when she cries, you get off? I was like, this guy. I was like, you just make sure you bring us something back to eat, eh? That looks amazing, man. Hey, thank you, brother. Yeah, so I was looking at some old school carvings over the past few nights, and they had designed this section too, and I wanted to do it. I never knew what love would be. Donut still off the menu. I mean, I had some like 2 days ago. Well, when did you turn up? Just yesterday? Day before yesterday? Yeah. Sent you a whisper emoji. Oh, thank you, your daddy. It's still a cricket name. It's your daddy. Just trying to butt all of these, Fado. Ooh. Hey, how you doing today? Yeah, I'm all good, bro. Yeah, sweet ass. Just hardly ever get to do weekend streams. I'm just making up for the 2 days away. Just gotta be fair. Do it for your whānau on Twitch. Are you ready for Shadowlands? Yeah, bro, definitely. I2 Legend, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Much appreciated. You didn't have to, though. Churn Phoenix. Hey, Valoon. Cheer, my bro.
Do you want your sandwich now?
Nah.
I'm going to eat some.
Of course you are.
Okay.
Of course you're gonna leave little bites in it. See what I mean, Vanu? Termites. You still doing Peli, mate? Nah, I'm not doing Peli, man. I'm just doing it for the heritage armor. I still made my Horde Warrior, and I'm feeling Guardian Druid, eh? I don't know. I mean, I'm enjoying Peli at the moment. But I think I should, I don't know if I should change over to red or just keep staying prop. Because I want to get good at tanking. I've been watching Towley heaps. Does Mrs. Brooks think I'm still Samoan? Nah. I made sure she corrected herself. Yeah, Peli seems to be in a good place. I just closest thing I watched to a Peli player is obviously Panda, because he plays Peli. He might be changing his main. Then I like watching Rextroy for his raid boss prop Peli videos he does. And sometimes I watch Civics. You know, Brock's got like, oh bro, if I had that much gold I'd have a Brutosaurus mount. Why you gotta do me like that, man? You gotta let me know when you try it. Yeah, so my Guardian Druid's pretty much ready. But I want that Legion reskin, not the Grizzle. There's a Ursoul one, but it's red. I was like, I really want to make that my Guardian Druid skin since I can't get it. Do you like PvP? PvE more. That's what I play, but I want to play arenas in that this time around. Yeah, that's why I want to play prop, just to try something different. I don't care if I'm like Benez, but just want to try it, eh? Ooh, lunch smells good. Was it you, Valoon, that posted that video with Jim Carrey and Joe Biden? Hey, cheer, Wolfie. How's it going? All good, bro. You sweet ass. Was it you, Valoon? I'm sure it was. The glowing red one is from Balance of Power, right? Yeah, that one, brother. I don't know how to get it though, and I might ask the whānau, if whoever plays well, to help me get it. That's I want to make that my Guardian Druid form because I think it looks cool in the red colour. I know it sounds like it's going to be a bloody grind and a half. Cheesecake with the posture chick. Hold on, brother. I never knew what love would be. Here we go. I grew up in Mountie. I just looked it up. You do Balance of Power and Glory of the Legion Hero. Oh, that sounds like a lot of work I have to do. But yeah, sounds good. I'll do it. Now it's got a YouTube. How to start it. $2,300 rating. Damn. I don't know much about rating, brother, but yeah. Man, that's a wide ass lens. Oh, it was all good. Yeah, all good, bro. But yeah, I want to try and get that. That's probably one of my main goals for my Guardian Druid while doing Shadowlands content. Get that red bear. Started on BC on Akama. True, brother. So it was posted chicken there. Yeah, so I might look into cutting this one out once we finish this. Oh, I might do a bit of it later. See how we go. But yeah, that's JT's piece down there. One of the subs or the followers. It's on the commission list, and I can see two ladies walking past with their bath gowns on. Ah, he's a yummy. No good. Druid Bear Tank Torn. Yeah, it's just a dumb thing. I just started playing Guardian on Alliance, which is kind of teats. But I hear High Mountain Taurens are good as well for Guardian Druid. What are you carving today, bro? Just a popo, brother. Just mucking around, really. What did the Kiwi rabbi say? I don't know. We don't have Kiwi rabbis. Do we? I actually don't know. There we go. The yummy bath gowns. Yeah, that's what we usually say when we see like someone wearing bath gowns or something. We just say that, oh, yummy. Yeah, I got all the Horde. What are you on about? Not a Dr. Robert? Oh, bro, I got all the allied races. I don't know what you mean by get the fuck off. I'm just saying their racials are good as well. That looks awesome. First time on your stream. Oh, welcome, brother. Yeah, so if you see someone, say you see someone like, I don't know, see a dude, this is for the boys, see a dude in stubbies that are a bit too short for him, and then you go, oh, yummy. Then you might see a auntie or a lady wearing pajamas in town. That's when you can apply the, oh, yummy, to the situation. Oh, all good, boy. Yeah, I didn't know what you meant. I was like, hey, but I got all the allied races. Nah, that's just something we do with the boys. Are like, oh, she's yummy. Bath gown. And like, you know those Ugg boots that ladies wear sometimes. You know, like here's the sole of the shoe, and their foot's over here. Oh, yummy. You don't say yummy to the stomach. Are those the boots with the fur? Oh, on the inside, yeah, it's kind of like the boot. They're like hoary Goku shoes. Like, but every time you see someone with those on, the sole's here and the foot's like halfway off, so the back of it goes and then the sole. I was like, God damn, fashion. You wear Adidas shorts with Jordans. Oh, that's a crime. Hori Goku shoes, pretty much. I'm rolling, bro. So you find out that's the goal with the Guardian Druid. Get the red bear. Get the red bear. Made my whole day. What are these carvings called? I'm genuinely curious. Bottled Baron. So this particular carving here, bro, is called a popo, which is kind of like our portraits for our ancestors that we would usually have inside our ancestral meeting houses. So these are kind of like the portraits that we use to portray our ancestors through the ages, even right up to today. It all depends on the ancestor, what they did within their life that you would portray through the carving. So if you did, I don't know, a warrior, you do it obviously holding a weapon, or the most favoured weapon of their particular ancestor, just showcasing what they did. So taking, for instance, one of my ancestors, what he's known for the most is killing his older brother and eating his heart in front of all his followers. So he's carved with his older brother's heart in his hands. Yeah. Bit of info. It's funny there how everyone goes, you can say that so casually, is it? Because it's part of our culture. You're wearing jandals when your toes are hanging over them. Oh, yummy. Yeah. Especially when you got a big ass trotter and you're trying to wear a size 8 jandal. I mean, come on. It's not yummy. And then you're like, oh, do that. Yeah, we didn't have a written language until, yeah, obviously the colonizers came and they started recording our language being written. So the way we pass down our myth, stories and teachings without a language was we were more of an oral culture, so we did everything face to face through song and dance as well, which you will probably know as the haka, and other like songs as well, and yeah, obviously Māori wood carving. Big ass trotters. Hey man, you're the best. Yo, May uses code Otto. Thank you very much for the biddies, brother. I really appreciate it. You didn't have to though, but thanks, brother. How much do you charge for one of these carvings? Sometimes I charge, or sometimes I ask what your price range is. That's what I did with JT. He said, I've got 500 and I would really like a carving from you, so I'm going to do him a mask, but I'm going to do him a mean-ass design as well. Not a simple one, because you know it's about doing that kind of stuff for him too. When you wear light coloured stretchy pants with dark underwears. Oh, yummy. Another one you can use for that kind of situation too, just as, oh, do that. How long did it take you to learn how to get the patterns crisp? Still learning how to get them crisp, brother. Been doing this for like 17 years. Hey, Maya. Or skin coloured tights. Oh man, that's a crime too, eh? When you gotta like focus a little bit. You're like, wait, what? Oh Lord. Same colour tights. Okay. I see we have a few that's gone through some, some yummy moments. Some do that ones. And like we usually, our lingo was usually opposite. So like, oh, you stole some Cody's. Just, you stole some Cody's from the shop, eh, bro? And then your reply would be, oh, I stole some Cody's. But really you're saying you didn't. That's kind of like the lingo we have over here. Just muck around. Just amongst all the boys. Like if just said, oh, you should have said you didn't have to. And then you can say, oh, I should have said I didn't have to. For an example. It's like Taika Waititi's craftsmanship. Can you not call me Dad? Sounds weird. Call me Shogun. Hold on, Fando, just trying to get this section out. There we go. That's the best way to relax after working all day. As long as it helps, brother, that's the main one for me, my bro. Yes, I am singing, it's my turn to sing at the party. Call me Little Shogun. Is he otter nose? She ain't gonna really, as long as you don't get her pregnant, eh? It's just NZ humour, man. NZ humour, bro. Movie references on point. What time is it right now? It is 2:32 PM on a Saturday, on an overcast day, with light winds as well, with a slight muggy presence here. My kids can hear you singing that now. What's Nacho? Okay, little tamarikis. When your fantasy has ended, all the children are gone. Something good inside me helps me to carry on. I ate some bugs, I ate some grass. I use my hand to wipe my teeth, to kiss your mouth. I break my vow. No, 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 no way, Jose. Unless you want to, then we break our vows together. Encarnacion, 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 doodly, Encarnacion. You're probably gonna have to watch it now. Do. They are ready for you. The eggs give me your no eagle powers. They're like, hey, Avatar like a chill, my bro. Those eggs were a lie. They give me no eagle powers. They're no nutrients. Sorry. These are the Lord. These are the Lord's streams. Did you tell him it was the Lord's streams? Yep. Now we gotta watch Nacho. They enjoyed that. I like that part how he stands there and he's like Did anyone clip that? Ah, no need to clip it, man. I'll probably sing it more than once throughout the streams. Chancho, I need to borrow some sweets. You're leaving us? No, Chancho, I would never leave you. I just need to borrow some sweets. Alright, Brox, I'm about to go to bed now. Good night from Swedenland. Hey, have a good night, brother. Yeah, eh? And it goes. And you're like, let's go. I am Maya. I am Maya. I think I am. Oh Lord, I am. This is my temple. The whole wide world. That used to be my ringtone on my phone, but I'd always miss my calls because I'll vibe out to it too much. Psycho Gamer, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. You did not have to, but I appreciate it, brother. Hey, Truckington. Cheer, my bro. Yeah, I'm all good. Bit of a Saturday stream going on. I'm feeling good, brother. Feeling good. Getting a bit hungry, but we will get to the food soon. I need to chill with my father here first. This is my your family is beautiful. Then they died. And he's like beneath the clothes we find the man, and beneath the man we find his nucleus. Hey, the dumbest Polek. Cheer, my bro. Thank you very much for the gifted sub, brother. Is that Scalper? Thank you, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Thank you. Didn't have to, though, because I know you've been here for a long time. I'm gonna do some leveling. Have a good rest of your Saturday. Cheer. Not a doctor. Robert. I'll probably do some leveling tonight too, brother, but have a good one. Have fun, brother. I wanna win. Did you hear them calling my name? It is looking all good. And then we'll just round that side. Shut up and take my sub. Whoa. That escalated really quick. Nah, chill, my brother. Thank you. Thank you, my bro. Hope you're well, though. They give me the strength to rip my blouse. You take the gazelle, I'll take the pony. Thank you, Psycho Gamer. Just throwing a bit of Nacho references out there for everyone. Seems to be the go-to right now. Don't suppose I can get a hair flick for my... Oh, is it your birthday too, brother? How old are you today, my bro? Yeah, I'll give you one before we finish, eh? Because why not? Why not? Helps me to carry on. I ate some bugs. I ate some grass. Yeah, about 24. Oosh, me, my bro. I'm a bit concerned about your salvations and stuff. Happy birthday, Chuckington. Okay, yeah, we got that. There we go. Yeah, I do want towards the end, but I'm probably finishing up soon. Because I am getting hungry. Break our vows together. I am singing at the birthday. Yes, I am singing, it's my turn to sing at the party. I'm 15, any tips for an aspiring Māori carver? Are you a bit of a carver too, bro? Just keep going. That's what I would say. Keep going, bro. And if you have any questions about it, or if you have a teacher already, all good. That's why I'm here, bro, just to help the next generation. Because you are the ones that are going to carry it on, not me, brother. I'm just here to help. Oh. Yo, Lightning Keyboards. Thank you very much for the raid, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Welcome everyone from Lightning Keyboards. Kia ora, my name's Brox. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver and also fan of food, sleep, wow, and games alike. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. And at the moment, we are just talking about Nacho Libre references. Guji, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. If you're new here, thank you very much. You didn't have to. Can watch for free, but thank you. Hello was brought by a fellow OCE person. Oh, true, bro. Thanks, Lightning Keyboards. You got a name for us, my bro? Well, thank you for the raid, brother. Would also like to say thank you to the person that brought you here as well. Nice. So do you do custom keyboards, brother? That's pretty cool. I watch another custom keyboard maker as well by the name of Manoli Visuals. Do you ever mess up your sculptures? Yeah, all the time, brother. We don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. Let me just take this to the recycling bin. This is number one, this is the world on fire. Actually, Manoli Visuals and I live in the same city. Oh, true, brother. We haven't met yet, but I indeed do solid custom keyboards. True, my bro. Hey, small world. Yeah, I was watching his stream the other night and he was doing Holy Paladin keys. The first thing that came to my mind was Panda Paladin? What is this? A carved keyboard would be dope. Man, that'll be hard, eh? Carving each individual key out of wood. I mean, I could try it one day. That's a pretty cool idea, though. Loves his number one, he sets the world on fire. They're a popular kind of tactical switch in our community. Oh, so I thought it was like something like a yellow panda key or something. Don't see much wooden cases. Yeah. Less filled with anxiety. Kami's Horror House? Man, as long as it helps, eh? Just tune in all the time, brother. That's all I'm here for. Well, that's one of my goals anyway, just to make a cool place. Yo, Thetron, thank you very much for the 3 months, my bro. Much appreciated, my bro, thank you. Oh, my little one is awake. Gee, she didn't sleep that long. She usually sleeps for a long time. She gives me foods, she gives me sleeps. There we go. Yeah, this is making it look really old school. What do you stream? I love to watch but never make it. I stream traditional Māori wood carving. Once again. This thing here. Also hoping to be streaming like games soon. Probably going to be WoW majority of the time, but like fun games too. I mean, WoW's fun to me, like those kind of like the Fall Guys category, but not Fall Guys. I know that game's about to die. Didn't last long. Yo, Snugglevet. Love the good vibes and the amazing carvings. Much love from Missouri in the US. Hey, cheer, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Just remember, guys, you don't have to sub. You can watch for free. I just want you to look after yourselves first. Eh? That's the main thing for me. Just with Corona and now these two old farts fighting over one position. I know it's gonna get a bit heated there. Either way. Then we break our vows together. Oh, Maya's got it really stuck in her head. Encarnación. We'll stand them up here and have a look. Encarnación. Encarnación. You know, even though Jack Black doesn't sing that much, he's actually got a good vibrato and passaggio. He's really good with using his diaphragm and his breathing. That's what I've noticed. Even though he jokes around most of the time, he's actually got good control of his passaggio, his passage and his airways. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna look at it from your guys' angle too. See what it looks like. See what it looks like. Move on back a bit. Yeah, the section under the face makes it look old school. Yo, Lord Cowbell. Man, the Cowbell and the band. Epic. Hello from the USA. Love your stream. It's nice to get away from the politics and just chill. Love your work. Hey, thank you, Cowbell. Much appreciated, my brother. So what's your guys' verdict, whānau? It's looking good so far, eh? Yeah, so we'll carve that section, do the pakatis, and then clean backboard stain. Done. Some sexy oil time. Nah, they won't come just yet. Does it look all good, eh? You like it?